If you have created your website in a WAMP, you might also want to upload your website to an online server. For this tutorial, I created a new database called Black or White. Like you can see, you can create a new database here, and I called it Just for Fun, and clicked OK. And then I go to Just for Fun here, Just for Fun, and I created a username, a new database user. I called it Just for Fun, and I created a password with it. Well, this is the username, and this is the WAMP configuration. You can go to Start, Computer, C, WAMP, www, Purity in this case, and then you'll see the configuration here, and that's the file we are working on now. So we're going to the configuration, and like you can see in WAMP the database is called Purity. We don't want that for this tutorial. We want to show you that this database that we've just created, we're going to use here. We're going to fill in Just for Fun. And offline on WAMP you use the user root. Online you use the username you created in your online situation, so your database username. The username has to be this. And I also created a password, and in this case the password was just for this tutorial. So I'm going to fill in just for this tutorial. So this is what I've created, and that's how you have to fill in your online situation. You could also change your site name, for example your website. You can all do this in the configuration. This is your temp part. That's what you also have to change when you go to an online situation. You can do that later. And then of course you have to upload all the SQL files to your database for it to work. So you have to go to the web admin here, and it should work. For some reason on this usually I use another browser because I have to make sure Chrome doesn't block my stuff. If it doesn't block it, then you go to this Just for Fun thing, and then you click on the scroll, and you can import files. Okay, you just use small files here, but you can also go here and import, choose file, and then you go to the SQL files that you have. You might have some SQL files. And you have to, of course, use the SQL files you normally use. And then you find the SQL file, and then you click on Start. In this case, I didn't select anything, but that's how it's uploading the SQL files. I don't have any SQL files to upload now. And you can just go to Wamp and download the SQL. So, and then you just choose the SQL file here, click on Start, and upload it. This might not always work because sometimes your files are too big. For that problem, you have Big Dump. It's called Big Dump. Big Dump is a program that can install very large SQL files. Then you download this file here, Big Dump, and you open it. And if you open it, you get this file, Big Dump. And here you got to fill in your database name again. So that we have filled in here. The database name you fill in here. We go back to the plastic panel. We go back to the username here. We go to fill that in. And we fill in the password just for this tutorial. And then we have to fill in the file name. Your big SQL data. This is just the name of your SQL file that you want to upload. And this is how you change your Big Dump file. You have to save it. You have to upload it to the server with your FTP, and you have to upload the SQL file to the same directory as you have filled in as this file. Or you have to just do this, your directory. But it is just as easy to put your SQL file in the same part of your site as this Big Dump file. And then you go to your website, and then normally it goes like this. Your website, and what is this file? It's called this Big Dump. Big Dump, PIP, and then you go to use Big Dump to upload all your SQL to your server. I hope you liked this tutorial, and I hope you will be back to my channel soon.